Hi, I'm Steve with AAA Service Company. This is one of my favorite tools. This is the DeWalt 60-volt brushless cutoff tool. It can be used for cutting metals, cutting concrete, and even cut some tree branches with it. Feels great. It's got a nice balance. And it's safer than a hand grinder because you're behind it. Nice shroud to direct the sparks away from you. It's good for using overhead as well. You get a little more reach on it than a grinder. Much stronger, more powerful. The battery lasts sometimes all day if we're just doing light rebar cutting here and there, steel pipe and copper pipe. This particular tool uses a 9-inch blade, both in diamond and steel cutting and masonry cutting blades. It has the same arbor size as a standard 4.5-inch grinder and some 7-inch grinders as well. Typically, when the blade wears down, you can use it on a smaller tool as well, reducing waste. When you're cutting concrete, though, to have a little more depth would be nice, but you know, then that changes the tool for everything else it's good at. So in that case, I just grabbed a larger gas-powered diamond blade saw. One very nice feature that this saw has is you can hook up water to it. You can adjust the water speed so you can wet cut your concrete, keeping all your dust down. And that's awesome, especially on a battery-operated tool. So I feel like the most common use for this tool wouldn't be mainly for the average homeowner. It would be for the contractor who's cutting a lot of material, who needs to be mobile, and needs to not be troubled with extension cords, or even gasoline and the maintenance of a gasoline tool. This tool is by far better for most all quick applications and strong enough for duty use that a contractor would do. How many stars would I give this tool? I would give it 5 stars. I really enjoy it. I love it. Again, it's one of my favorite tools, and there's not much downfall to it at all. And I hope DeWalt and other companies make more similar to it and play around with different features and designs.